Hey everyone, check out and meet the latest member of our family. This is our beautiful mint color, individually hand painted in our old world and our floral lace. Absolutely stunning and so perfect for this time of year. Hey everyone, I am so excited to share with you our latest and greatest Tara's must-have in fresh spring colors and of course all of your favorites. But check it out, our 3-quart oval helper handles here on the side, and yep, you guessed it, we updated those baskets 20 years ago. The very first piece was in solid colors and rattan baskets. Now it's in this beautiful banana leaf basket detail so that when you take that baker right out of the oven at 500 degrees, you can put it right inside here, carry it, bring it to the table, works as a trivet. So you have a choice. You can pick the 3-quart oval, or I recommend you get them both, however, or you can get the double loaf pans. So love the fact that, again, you have that beautiful braided detail if you're picking up Old World. You have that rope detail if you're picking up, of course, floral lace. But look at this. You can actually see the brush strokes. It's such a fun, gorgeous color, and those beautiful baskets all hand woven there, perfect to drop that baker right inside. And of course, it's your temptation. So your 3-quart oval, or of course your 2 loaf pans, absolutely perfect. If you're picking up the whole set, you can stack everything right inside and go ahead and tuck it away. But summertime never looked so good. Remember, you can use those baskets separately, line them, put your bread in there, all the different things you want to do. I'm going to head over to the oven because I want to talk to you a little bit about why we love Temptations. For 20 years, we've been sharing this incredible brand with you. BRB, hold on, be right back. And it's all about not only magical transformation, but it's about coming from the oven. Look at this yellow, by the way. Like, can we just talk about how gorgeous this is? Coming from the oven and either dropping it in the carrier and bringing it to the table, or flip that carrier over. And I'm going to do that because it'll be easier for you to see. And now that mac and cheese, I literally can take it and pull it right away from the sides, naturally non-stick, so no butters, no oils, no extra added fats. And look at that beautiful, moist mac and cheese, steamy, ooey gooey, delicious. Prepping, cooking, serving, and storing all in that one dish, whether it's hot, whether it's cold salads, whether it's pasta bakes that you want to reheat. You know, this is what I love about it. Baking in it, right? Naturally non-stick. So you're able to bake and ice a cake right inside here, slice right inside here. So you're not transferring from dish to dish, taking it out to the barbecue, hot dogs and hamburgers, potato salads, coleslaws, all of your mayonnaise-based salads that you want to keep nice and cold. Well, Temptations is going to keep cold things colder longer, as well as hot things hotter longer. Use that basket separate. Look how beautiful, just wrapped in a nice napkin. You now made a beautiful bread basket. So this is a 2-in-1 system where you not only get that stoneware, but you also get that beautiful basket. Where can you find them? Well, you can head over to temp-tations.com and you can check out the colors and the patterns that we have available in our entire collection.